Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hope you subscribe before you go. We'd love to have you as part of our squad. If you're not new here, thanks for coming back. I had a request to do my first Sephora orders video. I don't know that I can find my first Sephora orders. I used to have a different email address a long time ago and it got blown away when we changed internet subscribers. So the furthest back I can find my Sephora orders from is 2007, 11 years ago. I couldn't even tell you if these are my first orders, but if you want to see what I ordered in 2007 from Sephora and Ulta, go ahead and let's keep watching. October 5, 2007, my Sephora order. First thing was the Balm Hot Mama. This is not the same one, this is my second one. I like to keep them in the little sleeves because I think that they are so cute and everything. My husband loves when I wear the balm. He doesn't know it's the balm, but he loves when I wear the balm. So that is a product that I still use. I want to say about the balm, I bought this in 2007, 11 years ago, for $18. Today, you can buy it at Kohl's for only $20. I mean, 11 years and just a $2 price increase, that's amazing. MAC goes up 50 cents twice a year. So, hello, everybody needs to learn from the balm. The next thing I bought was a Shu Yamura lipstick. It was Rouge BG951. I have no idea what color that was, but I'm sure it was probably a pink. Well, I think it was a pink. I kind of remember having a pink and a gold at one point, but I decluttered that when we moved. Because, come on, it was old. The next thing on my list is something called Lorac Co-Stars / Makeout. Makeout must be the color. It was $19. I'm guessing it was probably a lip gloss. I was very much into lip products at that time. And actually, I was very much into lip products until about 2 or 3 years ago when eyeshadows seemed to take me over. Oh, and highlighters. Well, anyway, I don't remember what that is. I don't remember what the color was, but I was really big into Lorac too. So the next thing is something that I love that they've discontinued, and I'm really bitter about it. Sephora 25 count facial wipes. They're white package with green on them. On the Sephora sale page, they still have like a little section and it says sale, but there aren't any wipes and there haven't been for years. And I don't get it. I wish they'd bring them back. I loved those things. The last thing that I ordered in October of 2007 was Buxom lip gloss in amber. Whenever I decluttered it, I made a mental note to get another one because I loved that color. It was the first one I bought. I loved it. I misfiled my mental note and haven't picked it up again yet, but I do want to get that. My next order was a month later on the 5th of November. None of this is in the Sephora app. They've changed my number like 5 or 6 times. I'd go to Penny's, they'd change it. I'd go back to regular Sephora, they'd change it. And then I'd go back to Penny's, they'd change it. You know, everybody's taking my card and giving me a black and white card, giving me a red card, giving me a black and white card, giving me a red card. My whole history is not in the app. The app for me only goes back about 1.5 years, which was probably the last time they changed my number. I don't know what the deal is, but they keep changing it. So in November of 2005, I bought a Doo-Wop reverse lip liner. Now I remember looking at this at Nordstrom. I don't know why I didn't buy it there. Probably Sephora had something that I wanted in their samples or something like that. Or maybe I was trying to, well, did they do points then? I don't know if they did points then. And they didn't do sales either. The sales have only been for about the last 3 or 4 years. So the reverse lip liner was one of those clear lip liners that you use, and it was kind of mentholy so that it's supposed to plump your lips. And I didn't use it very much, decluttered it. Benefit Cupid's Bow Lip Shaping Set. See, Benefit has hooked me for a long time. I used to go out of town, well, because I lived in Alaska and we didn't have Sephora, we didn't have Sally's, we didn't have Ulta. All we had was Nordstrom. And I used to go to Macy's when I would go outside. I would look at the Benefit counters, and I remember the first thing I ever bought there was a brow thing. And at the time I thought, oh, that's so dumb. But, well, actually my sister bought that for me. But it made such a big difference. And, you know, now I'm all about the Benefit brows. I bought this Cupid's Bow lip shaping set. And I think it had 2 pieces in it. Oh, I didn't write down how much it was. It It had two pieces in it. It had like a flesh tone pencil to put up here, and then it had like a shimmery tone. The next thing I bought was Benefit, and it's called the Color Plump in Yoo-Hoo. I loved it. It was like a big fat pencil, lip pencil thing, and it had plumping effect. The one I got was kind of a nudie plum color, more plummy than nude. I loved that thing. Shortly after I got that, I went to Hawaii, and I went to Sephora there, and I picked up a second one because I thought, well, I'm gonna go through this so fast, and I did. And I picked up a second one, and then I picked up another color. I don't remember what it was, but I loved Yoo-Hoo so much. And the last stuff on that order was Frederick Fekkai Glossing Shampoo and Conditioner. This was before Nordstrom ever carried it. The only place I could get it, I usually would go to Hawaii and go to Neiman Marcus and pick it up. But then when Sephora started carrying it, I was able to order from Sephora, and then pretty soon my local Nordstrom got it, and I would just buy it there. So my last order of 2007 is a Too Faced Shimmer Veil in Fairy Wings. Oh, where is it? I came across that when I was moving all the things around and bringing everything into my room here. Where is that? It is a pot of a champagne-colored shimmer. Sounds just like me. Yes, yes. I still have it. 2007. It's a loose pigment. It should be just fine. The next two items on that order were Too Faced Shadow Duos. One called Party Girl, which I think was pink and something, and Totally Toasted, which was a champagne and a brown shimmer. And I don't know where they are. I know I have them. I don't know where they are. But I brought you some other Too Faced things to show you. This is Too Faced Glamour Puss. I thought it was so cute. I don't know how old it is, but look, it's so pretty. Like, I want to use it, but I don't know, I'm kind of scared. I know it's really old, but it feels really nice. It feels really creamy, and it's got that lovely pinky taupe color. I was all about that pinky taupe color. Pinky champagne, pinky taupe. At some point they came out with these eyeshadow luxe. I suppose that's probably supposed to be a boob, but I always thought it was ice cream. I don't know, I'm kind of dumb, I guess. I always thought it was ice cream. Anyway, this one is Label Horror. It's nice duochrome. Gorgeous. This one is Glamorous Life. It's a yellowy gold with some shimmer. I have this one called Glamazon. This, again, the taupey with a tinge of pink. Wow, that looks a lot like Glamour Puss. You can see I have a type. Oh my gosh. They're like totally the same, except for these Glamazon ones had shimmer in them, a little bitty shimmer particles. Or Glamour Luxe, I guess. And then my first Too Faced palette. Do you guys remember this? Look, isn't it pretty? And here we have Glamazon again. That was, I just swatched here. Glamazon in there. Boy Toy, Lucky Charms, Skinny Dip, Socialite, Full Frontal. Oh, Jared, you naughty boy. I thought since we were going back in time, that might be a little fun to look at my old Too Faced stuff. The next order I placed was in 2008. I had a Dior High Shine in Nude Silhouette, which I hopefully decluttered by now. Hopefully, because it'd be really old. And then a Too Faced Glamour Gloss called Girls on Film, which I think was either pink or champagne. I don't remember, but I don't have it anymore, I think. I bought Cargo Yukon eyeshadow. I remember going out of town and going to Sephora and obsessing over Cargo Yukon. I do have that somewhere. And then the Fekkai Glossing Cream. And those are like my first 4 orders at Sephora. And I did find in my email that I had also placed my first order from Ulta around the same time. It was in October 2007. And I ordered a pair of clippers to do my husband's hair. Like clippers to do his hair. That's not super exciting. It's not colorful. It's not pretty. And I thought, why on earth did I order clippers? But we had Fred Meyer. I don't even know if we had Walmart yet. I imagine there was no Target. There's no Sally's. I imagine that I probably priced them around town and they were just too expensive, so I probably, you know, waited till I saw something on sale and got it then. I don't think Amazon even sold anything besides books at that point, 2007. So those were my first orders. I hope you enjoyed them. First orders I could find on my computer anyway. I hope you enjoyed them, and yeah, so let me know if you tried any of those, and I'll talk to you later. Bye!